Okay, so we're using Carmen's example, and the challenge now is we're trying to fit everything onto this size, 4x6 tracing paper, because that is the size of the block that we're gonna be carving. So if I look at this, the name fits, but the speech bubble does not. So when I photocopied it, I made smaller sizes. So we're actually going to be using a conglomerate, a bunch of these, hybrid. We're gonna join them together. So the smallest size, if I fit the tracing paper over it, it fits. So what I'm gonna do is use the smaller size speech bubble, use a number 2 pencil. I really think, what is this? The wooden pencil works better than mechanical. And I'm gonna trace all of Carmen's lines on her speech bubble. But if you look, you know, the box ended, so her speech bubble ended. So I'm just going to problem solve that and continue out. Look at what I just did there, you guys. It's amazing. All right, so I'm gonna fast forward because you guys get the idea. I'm tracing that speech bubble, right? Let's fast forward. All right, so you fast forwarded and I finished my speech bubble. So now I wanna get the Carmen name inside the speech bubble. So if you look and I use the bigger one, it overlaps. So I can do that because I've got the power. By the way, make sure the whole time you're doing this, you guys are pushing hard with the pencil because we're gonna be transferring this tracing paper onto the rubber block. So if you're not pushing hard, if you're being really light, it might not transfer. All right, let's get some blank paper here. So see how I did the C right on top of that speech bubble? Now I'm going to erase that speech. Ooh. So I can keep that bit there or I can erase it. I kind of enjoy it, so I'm gonna keep that there. Now I'm gonna keep tracing the rest of my Carmen. My Carmen, it's not my Carmen. All right, fast forward. All right, so I finished, and again, I'm going to adjust and erase where I have the speech bubble and my name overlapping. Okay, oh wait. Oh, what's happening there with the R? Okay, that gets erased. That, and just draw it back on there. All right, so I could, she did the line design on the speech bubble. I could draw that on here and transfer that to the block, but I'm gonna choose not to because when I carve it, I'm just gonna carve those lines on there. Same things with the polka dots. I'm going to have that pattern, but I'm gonna add it when I carve it, okay?